Yo, what up, YouTube? Man, it's been a minute. It's really been a minute. I did get the truck back, but the video y'all about to see now is just a few clips, a few pictures of it. Yeah, a few pictures of going through the bodywork process, little stuff like that. It's a little short video. I work a lot at my regular job, so I wasn't always able to get up there, to get pictures and videos and stuff like that. So, like I say, on this video that's coming up, I can just walk through and see some of the pictures. Truck came out beautiful. So, next video, y'all gonna see the truck and what I'm doing now. All right, peace. This is it. Gonna be on my YouTube. That's Jeffrey. And this is the bed. We're coming, man. We are coming along. Got them molded in. I wouldn't really worry about molding in the roll pan. Got that primed up. They just doing blocking on it right now. Got these pieces painted, primed. Getting them together. Can't wait. Can't wait. Alright, y'all. Fresh off work. We back looking at the truck. Apparently the door jambs are painted. Or kind of painted, I believe. And like under the hood and all that stuff. So, about to go in here and check it out. Now, there's about to be some shit talking motherfuckers in here. So, be prepared. Huh? Who? No. That dog wasn't no joke. You talking about Josh? You know Josh, dude. Live over, light skinned Josh. Yeah. Yep. Color teal green. Yeah. Looking good.